Masquera say, More Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel. Apo patinokupai nawo dzinenge zichitika munzvimbo dzakasiyana-siyana munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Nasi takuigirai nyaya ya Prophet Walter Magaya, the founder of Prophetic Healing and Deliverance Ministries. Avo vari kunzi va-approacha hurumende vachida kuti kesi yavo iwanikwe ichipostponwa kuti vawanikwa vachibviswa murimandi zviri kunzi magistrate vawanikwa vachitonga kuti vaMagaya havana kodzero yekuita izvozvo. Decision iri kunzi yaitwa vaMagaya pamwe chete naloya wavo vasipo mune Zimbabwe. Hazvina kumira mushe. VaMagaya vari kunzi vari kufesa 5 rape charges involving 2 complaints mune Zimbabwe. Allegations are kunzi they date back to 2013. Trial iyo iri kunzi inofanira kutanga musi weMonday yapostponwa after Chief Director of Prosecution vatendai shonai vakataura ivo vachiti this case ngaipostponwe. Zvimera zvakaita zviri kunzi pari kumirirwa complainants ari kunzi vaviri they are based in Ireland. Hapana kumira mushe mune Zimbabwe. Nyaya yaburitswa nePindula News vachitaura ivo vachiti Harare Regional Magistrate Francis Mapumo has dismissed an application by Walter Magaya, the founder of Prophetic Healing and Deliverance Ministries, which sought to stop further postponements of his case or to have him removed from remand. The magistrate ruled that the application had no merit. The decision was made in the absence of both Magaya and his lawyer. Magaya is facing 5 rape charges involving 2 complainants. The allegations date back to 2013. The trial, which was meant to start on Monday, was postponed after the Chief Director of Prosecution, Tendai Shonai, asked for the postponement, saying there were still logistical problems involving a key witness based in Ireland. She said one of the complainants in this matter, as well as the first person to whom the allegations were reported, are both based in Ireland. There was a communication breakdown regarding their travel arrangements. Initially, we believed they would fund their own travel, but we only learned last week that they assumed the state would cover the cost. She said the information was disclosed too late for the state to make the necessary travel arrangements, adding that responsibility for such logistics lies with the Judicial Service Commission. Magaya's lawyer, Admire Rubaya, strongly opposed the postponement, accusing the state of incompetence and of misleading the court. He argued that the prosecution had failed to obtain signed statements from key witnesses, calling into question its readiness to proceed with a case that has been pending for more than a decade. Said Rubaya, the accused was arrested in a dramatic fashion by over 40 armed police officers at his prayer mountain, detained in police custody and later remanded in prison. Yet 10 years after the alleged offences were committed, the state is still not ready for trial. Rubaya also told the court that one of the complainants filed an affidavit in November 2025 indicating his intentions to withdraw the charges against Magaya. He argued that this made the case baseless and called for Magaya's removal from remand, saying his client's constitutional right to a fair and timely trial was being violated, said Rubaya. The complainant, who alleged rape, has formally stated she has nothing against the accused. Effectively, the reason why the accused is on remand has collapsed. Shonai clarified that only the state has the authority to withdraw charges, not the complainant. Despite Rubaya's arguments, Magistrate Mapumo dismissed the application, allowing the state to continue with its preparations. Nomabuditsiro aitwa nyaya muri Zimbabwe. NePindula News tisingazive kuti munoiona sei. Tudziwo zvamuri kufunga mu comment section.
You wanna know your name?
You love me. No, I'm not sure that you know my name. So you tell me my name.
Okay. Tell me your story.
My son mentioned a few things concerning you, and I said I will personally call you. Okay? You should know my son I'm talking about. You should know my son.
I'm talking to you.
From Nigeria. Okay? You know my son in your country.
Prophet Magaya, yeah, I do.
Okay, you know his father, spiritual father.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing okay.
I want to invite you to Nigeria.
What's there for me?
I will pay your ticket. I will do everything for you to come and see me. Okay?
No.
Salvation is very important.
What's
So we
there for
cannot
me in
stop.
Nigeria that I should come and see
You say?
you? What's there in Nigeria that I should come and see you?
You say what?
I'm asking you what's there for me in Nigeria. Like you think I should come there for what?
I say you come. Yeah, only you are invited. I'm not just want to meet only you, not only with you. I will not invite him. I just want to see you. So we talk, okay?
Are we not
Don't
fighting
worry.
already? Are we not fighting already?
You say what?
Are we not fighting already?
Don't worry. I will pay your flight tickets. It's not about anything. Just don't come. You know, you say you know my name. I don't need to mention my name again. Okay?
No, you just have to tell me
You know,
your name.
You know,
What
you'll
if
be
it's not
very
you?
shocked
What if
to
it's
hear
not
my
you?
name. Huh?
What if it's not you? The
I
person
can't hear what you're saying.
I'm saying, what if it's not you, the person I think I'm talking to?
You still not know my name. Hello?
Hello?
Okay, I will wait for your tickets. So I will send my number so that I will ask them to buy you tickets, okay? I will
You're
ask
not
them to buy
saying
you
anything.
tickets.
You
So,
refused your name, and now you're telling me that you want me there in Nigeria. What?
you saw what?
I'm saying you refused with your name, and then you're saying that you want to buy me. You're saying that you want to buy me a ticket to come to Nigeria to see who?
But you say you know who is talking to you. You know, don't pretend. You know.
Oh,
You
who
are
can you
lucky.
just mention your name?
You are lucky. You are lucky. You know. I will not mention that name. The name is too big. Don't worry.
Oh, your name is too big.
The Magaya has no other spiritual father in Nigeria than the person you know. Okay? And often you watch Imana TV and you listen to the voice. What else again? If I say Imana TV, what else again? What it means you want to hear?
Prophet Emmanuel. Like
Okay,
TB
I'm a
Joshua.
man.
Prophet TB Joshua.
Yes, thank
Oh,
you. Yes, thank you.
what's going on?
Hello?
Yeah, what's going on? Like the reason why you really called me, like what do we have to talk about, and what's the reason why I should come to Nigeria to see you?
So when are you coming? That is the question. When are you coming?
I don't think I have to reply to that if I don't know the reason why I'm coming, like for.
So I will make sure I will get you tickets so that you can come. I will arrange someone to meet you to get you tickets to come to Nigeria. Okay? So maybe when she meets you, you can discuss when you'll be coming. But very soon because I will soon be travel. So very soon. Okay?
Awesome.
Thank you, Angie. Thank you.
Okay, it was with TB Joshua.
Thank you. So the person will be meeting you to discuss how to get your ticket. Okay?
Okay.
Are you happy now?
I'm not really happy because there are things that's going on. It's strange to receive calls from you while he's there at the same time. Even if he's there, he doesn't even call. But you are calling. You want to see me, he doesn't want to see me.
Okay. Thank you for being happy to hear my call. Okay, tell me if you're happy. Just tell me a word. If you're happy to hear a word from a man.
Do you think I'm happy?
You say what?
Do you think I'm happy?
Okay, tell me if you're happy. So I can't wait to see you, okay? Someone will come to you to get your ticket, okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much for taking my call.
You're welcome.